Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If not, you're welcome back again. My name is Stella Sylvester, and I try to start this vlog here because on my vlogs sometimes I don't start, but most of my vlogs sometimes I don't start it. So how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually on lunch break. It's 12:57 here. I tried to get my break earlier. Normally I get my break around why is this car on? The weather is cold. I wind down and I sit on car without AC or even heater. So sometimes I get my break around 1:30, but today I decided to get it by 12:58 because my colleague, the one that we usually go to get our lunch together, she didn't come in today. She's working from home today, so I'm the only one in the office. I and my boss, but she doesn't go on break with me, so I do my break with the other of my colleagues, and they are working from home today. So that being said, I came to Dillard's to get some food. I think I have like a couple of minutes on my hand before I have to go back to the office. I'll be eating in the office, but I came here to get food. Since I was introduced to this place by my colleague, guys, it's a Mexican restaurant, and I got their Lone Star regular. Nice, really nice. So this is how it looks. I hope I didn't spill that. I guess this is supposed to be like the sauce, like a ranch or ranch. And oh, this looks good. This looks good. I'm trying to see a notification that came into my phone, guys. But the oil, it's not oil. I think it's cheese. Looks good. It has onion, beef. It looks good, but even tastes better. So, the only bad side is my mouth is going to smell of onions because the onions is raw, and also it's some of the vegetables. But I love it. It tastes really good. I think this is looking like it's not going to be enough for me. I'm sure we'll not go to Chick-fil-A and get chicken. Okay, maybe I'll get that when I'm going home, but I'll just have this, then I'll take some coffee in the office, and that will be it. But with all that being said, I just saw one of the guys that sold this stuff to me. The guy is driving one. The guy's car is like really, and the guy is, that's by the way, like the car is driving, and he was actually selling there like a retail place. Does not match, you know. Normally in Nigeria, if you see people selling in fast food, we assume that they don't have money. But here, people selling in fast food are actually rich people. Like this guy's car is luxury, you know. But again, in America here, a car is not a big deal. Anybody can own a car. You can go, as long as you're working, you have something to show as proof that you have income coming in. You can get any car you want to drive, basically. So, but I am of the opinion that if my car can get me from point A to point B, I don't even need the luxury now. Like, it's not even what's in my head now. I have a lot of things that I want to put in place before car, luxury and all that. So just get me from point A to point B at this point, and I'm good. Because that's aside, let's go to the office, and maybe hopefully this vlog is more interesting than the last one, because obviously the last one was not well received. I guess it wasn't very interesting. I don't even know do you guys know I'm looking for my key? I don't know the criteria that YouTube uses to, oh, it's inside the car and I'm looking for it. YouTube uses to push a video, to make a video have more views than the other. So at this point, I've given up on looking at views or any of all those stuff that comes with YouTube and social media. So I'm just doing it for the fun of it. I enjoy posting videos when I feel like it. So if I don't feel like it, I don't do it. So that's by the way. Let's go to the office and I'll talk to you guys later. So not safe. Oh my god, this is so not safe. Well, I got to talk to you guys. Good morning. I'm actually on my way to work, but I want to quickly stop here and tell you guys happy new should I say happy new? It's not okay. This happy new month. I don't know if it's gonna be the first time I'm talking to you guys this month, but yeah. Happy December. How's the day going? I pray your day goes well because mine is already going well. See me with my sweater, ugly sweater. So today is an ugly sweater day at work where you have to wear the ugliest sweater you can find. And I wore this one that has bells. Hopefully I win because you're actually going to win something if your sweater is the ugliest. So hopefully I win. I'm on my way to work. It's raining. I love it. I love it. Like I don't know, for some reason I like the fact that it's raining. See me, I'm still driving at 40 while we're on this school area. Let me slow down. So when you're driving in the US and you come to an area where there is school, you have to reduce your speed to 20 or below. You do not drive above 20 until you have gotten away from that area. So I'm just a minute about. Okay, we're out of here now, so I can fire to my 40. So yeah, I wanted to come here and talk to you guys and tell you guys happy Friday because it's weekend. Maybe that's why I'm happy, and it's also payday. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye bye.
Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, that's more like it. How are you guys doing? Welcome back. Today is Sunday. I'm going to church. I'm wearing this. Don't mind my bright showing, but I'll cover it up with a jacket or this sweater that I have on. So I'm wearing this pant from Zara a long time ago. Wait a minute, a moment. Let me change my battery. The battery is flat. So guys, I'm sorry, this other battery is flat, so I might not have time to talk to you guys, but I wanted to show you guys the finished product of the what did we make? Cinnamon rolls, right? So it's not ready yet, but let me show you guys before my battery dies. Okay, so here is the cinnamon rolls. So I'm just going to wait for it to have like extra 10 or 15 minutes, and I'll do it because I want it to turn a little brown. So I was able to charge it a little bit at least. This one should help us get through this whole cinnamon roll episode. So it's out of the oven. I just have to let it cool for a while, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add this icing. This icing actually came with it. So I'll add it for this one that the kids are going to have. I don't really need icing, so I'm not going to add it for this 3 here or this 4. So I'm going to add it here for the kids. They need icing, so let's get that going. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll just finish up breakfast and I'll church. Come back. I'm going to meet you guys there and talk to you guys. Enjoy. I put my trust in Him. I put my trust in Him. So we're done with church and the kids wanted to play. So I allowed them play in this playground. If not, they won't let me rest. They've already started crying, So after church, these are new location in church. We moved from the last place to here. So they have a playground for kids outside. And I think they're also going to have something like this inside with time too. I think next year, but this one, the kids are always like they want to play. So I allow them this time to play. Let me just stand here and wait while they exhaust all their energy. Then we go home. I wish I packed somewhere close. I would have just sat in the car and give them like 30 minutes, So when they are done, we can go home. So usually if they want to come to church, sorry. So these are one of the things that make them really want to like come to church, okay? So when you Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday and today is the Saturday before Christmas. How are you guys doing? We closed from work yesterday, half day, because not really half day, we closed at 3. Normally I close at 5 because I resume at 8:30. I close at 5, but very soon I'll change my time to 8 o'clock so I can close at 4:30 or something earlier because of my kids. But we closed early. I came back home and yeah, I wasn't feeling too fine. My kids too are not feeling fine. I don't know, Ryan, Isabel, even Renee, but Renee is better. It's just Ryan and Isabel, they have flu. Took them to the hospital. The doctor said they're not going to give them anything, just Tylenol, which is what they've been having, and hopefully they get better. So this morning I'm making cinnamon rolls, the one I made last weekend. They like it, so they refuse to eat anything. So I'm thinking they are going to eat it, even if they told me they don't feel like eating anything. But hopefully when they see it, they will crave it and they want to eat it. Today, the plan for today is I cleaned the house yesterday morning before I went to work. Yes, I woke up at 3 a.m. and cleaned the house before I went to work. So I'm kind of free this weekend. Although I want to make fried rice. I don't know if I should make it today or I should make it on Christmas Day. But I don't really want to do anything on Christmas Day. Although I would like to drive out and just go around the city. The cinnamon roll is currently in the oven. It's cooking for 40 minutes. Sometimes 35, sometimes 40. Just depending on when I want to bring it out. But again, I want to take the kids out today to Target, to the toy section. Target has a very good selection of toys. I want them to be able to pick whatever toys they want. I don't even have time for this hide gifts and put under the Christmas tree and all that. Nope, I'll take you there, you pick whatever you want. Although Ryan already told me he wanted Lucky Box. Isabel said she wanted one Anna and something doll that I know that I have searched on Amazon, I've searched everywhere, and those mini ones I did not see it. So let me take her to the store, let her pick whatever she fancies or whatever she wants. So is Renee. So I'll take all of them to the store after they are done with eating breakfast. So it's kind of something I'm doing where I told them, if you eat breakfast, I'll take you to buy you your gifts. But if you don't eat breakfast, no Christmas presents for you. So that's what I told them this morning. So hopefully they eat. Yeah. I don't even know. I don't think there's anything else. Basically, that's what I wanted to just talk with you guys. And how are you guys doing? Merry Christmas and happy prosperous New Year to you guys. Let's get our morning going, and I might pick you guys maybe when we're in Target or on our way to Target. Okay.
Pick it up. What do you want to take it?